It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey you guys, we are going to Charlotte, North Carolina. I know we haven't vlogged in a while.
Yep.
It's currently raining, as you can see. But we're going to North Carolina, so stay tuned.
What we do here is go back.
Yo, what's good, y'all? We just made it to the hotel. Here's the view. We got a little something. I'm here with Lauren. We in Charlotte right now. Here's the room, though. You know, we here in Charlotte for my birthday, taking a little trip.
Alright, so we found something to do. We are headed to Concord Mills Outlet. So it's an outlet, but they have a speed park within it. So you can do speed racing, bungee jumping, spider climb, and it was something, and miniature golf. So you can get like an unlimited pass and do all of those things. So that is what we are headed to do.
Passing is allowed. If white, you'll be injected into the track. Remember, you only know refund. If the car stalls.
Alright y'all, I just want to tell y'all, I dusted this man in the racetrack. Dusted, no excuse, right? Who won?
No excuse, you won.
Exactly. Told y'all. Now I'm about to do miniature golf. Dang, why you doing so hard? Alright, let me see that stance. Okay. Dang! What was that?
I got it for.
Okay, let's see mine. Here.
Alright, you got this one.
Wow.
That's crazy. So what you got? Dang! You talk about me. Right, you gotta go get that.
Can I get one more time?
Yeah. Okay.
Let's see what he can do. Let's see. In there. Okay. It goes in the hole. There we go. We got hole in one. He wanted a part two. I'm about to dust him again. Y'all see where he at. Yeah, so we are leaving the speed park. And we have fun. You have fun?
Yep.
So if y'all ever hear Careem saying he's gonna beat me with racing, he's not, because I'm on 3 out of 4. So.
Bruh, it's just like when I was clicking on the gas, I couldn't go no faster. So I don't know what else to say. Like she was passing people, and I'm just like, man, I'm hitting the gas wrong or something. I don't know.
I just got a special foot, you know, that can press on that gas.
But yeah, if it could speed up.
And then we got on the, so it was like a 2 regular race tracks, and then it was one, what was it called? Super track.
Speed,
Yeah.
like
where it was like faster and you had to put on a helmet and everything. And that one had my eyes watering. That's how fast it was. I could not feel my hands on the wheel.
Nah, that jump was OD fast.
It was really fast.
Yeah. That's where it's at for real.
Yeah, that's where it's at. But we will talk to y'all later. Probably next clip is probably us eating.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me
We
too.
probably get some pizza from the hotel.
Yeah, they have a whole grill at the hotel. It's like a little restaurant in the lobby. So.
Look at you. You look all happy. Ready.
Alright guys, so we are back in the hotel. Oh, we didn't even, oh wait, we did show you guys a hotel tour. I was about to say. So we're about to eat our food. We got pizza like we said we would. So we got, let me show y'all what we got. So we got cheese bread and we got pizza. And also before we got here, we stopped at the gas station to get like water, and I got ice cream for tonight. So yeah, we're about to eat. Got anything to say?
Nope, I'm just about to eat.
But the grub.
Good morning, vlog. Me and Lauren about to go eat. We just woke up like 30 minutes ago. Still look nice outside. You can see. Today we're going to the mall. The same place we did go-kart. We're actually going back there. They got outlets, and we're also going to aquarium. So we're gonna be showing y'all some of the animals. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm excited for today.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we are at breakfast. It's actually pretty nice because they don't have like all the food out at once, how it normally is because of COVID, of course. So they actually like prepare it in the back and bring it out to you, kind of like a restaurant. So I have pancakes and bacon, and Careem has pancakes, potatoes, and bacon. I'm gonna actually show you guys. Alright, so this is our food. This is our food. Ready to eat? Alright, let's eat. Whoa, is that one dead?
I don't think so. I don't know dead. It's outside.
We're trying to get to you. I don't know, that one might be dead. Oh look, it's a shark on top of us.
What we do here is go back.
How you feeling right now?
Tired.
He got bags on bags.
Bro, my shoulders hurt too.
This is a really nice mall though. It's really nice. And it's a big circle. That's what he said at least.
And then we almost at the front.
So we walked around the whole circle. But we'll catch y'all in the car, I guess. So to update y'all with the plans, we are leaving the outlet And we are going to Chick-fil-A to get something to eat for lunch real quick. And then we're gonna go to
Paddle boat.
paddle boating. Hopefully. Because we couldn't find like the address.
Oh yeah, we gotta kind of find it ourselves.
Like we found the address, but it didn't let us know if it was east or west. And on maps, it wants us to know if it's east or west, and we don't know. So we're kind of gonna like circle the area to try to find it. But yeah, I'm excited to go paddle boating. My legs about to be burning.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like bicycling.
I thought paddle boating was the It must be kayak.
That's kayaking.
But no, people do that in ponds too.
Yeah. Alright, so those are the plans. We got the food. We about to eat. We're just in a random parking lot right now because we're going paddle boating after this.
I'm trying to get situated to eat.
We're going paddle boating after this, so we didn't want to go all the way back to the hotel, but we eat it in the car. He doesn't want me to put the camera on him.
I'm getting situated.
Get situated then. Put your hand sanitizer on. Anyways, we're gonna eat and yeah. We just made it to the paddle boating place. So, sorry, I'm out of breath.
Already out of breath.
I'm out of breath. But look, you guys. Can I see?
Yeah.
So, we just got here. We're about to paddle boat. I don't even see. Oh, there it is. I was about to say. I don't see where you get the boats. But we're about to have some fun. Hey, you guys. We are paddle boating. Look at how pretty it is. Come on, faster, 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 faster. You playing your legs gonna be burning.
Head on with that duck.
Come on, little ducky. Yeah, let's go to it.
Oh no, I want to mess with that.
Ooh, my legs.
My legs hurt.
Yeah. But it's a baby, or is that a baby duck? Hey y'all, so I can't remember the last time they saw us, but we are back in the hotel. We came back, we've been here for about an hour, but that hour went by extremely fast because we had to get ready. We are about to go to a surprise spot. So I'm surprising Careem for his birthday. And so he has no idea where we're about to go, but we are dressed up. Let me show you guys what I am wearing. Alright, so I have this dress here. I got this from Misguided. These shoes here, these heels I got from, I can't remember. And this pair of necklaces I got from Forever 21. So this is the fit. We are all dressed up. He is dressed up as well. And we are about to leave. So let's go. So we're about 20 minutes from the destination. Careem is driving, but he has no idea where we're going. I just put the address in there. So we are going to the surprise destination. Would you like to give some guesses to where we're going?
I saw on the map for the directions we're gonna be near water. So I'm thinking like a boat.
at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Well, you guys, he looked at the map, which he was not supposed to do.
It was by accident, though. I ain't gonna lie.
This whole time he's been thinking we are going on a helicopter ride, which we might still be going on a helicopter ride. You don't know. We might be going on a helicopter ride over the water.
We might. I thought about that too. That's because you kept saying we're going on a helicopter ride.
So we got 20 minutes. I'll let y'all know once we get there.
It's a ferry.
What's that?
It's when you ride out into the water a little ways and you just enjoy food and chill. And enjoy the water.
That's where we're at. We're riding out on a yacht.
Yeah, it is kind of big.
Yeah, that's what they call it, a yacht.
Oh, they call it a yacht?
Yeah, I'm not making that up.
Yeah, because the one near us, the one in Norfolk, is kind of smaller. It's not as big. This is a little bigger.
Yeah, so we are here early. We're here at 5:51. It doesn't start till 6:30, and I was kind of confused because I don't know if they leave at 6:30. That's why I wanted to be here. No. They leave at 7. They leave at 7 because it says 6:30 be there, and they leave 30 minutes after that. Yeah. So I wanted to make sure we were here early. We're dressed up too, you guys, and I see some people walking in with casual clothes.
Nah, I see a dude with a suit on.
Alright, cool. I was about to say, because that lady got jeans on. It said business/casual, but I just saw that email today. But I thought because of the food menu was really fancy, I was like, oh, I guess we gotta dress up. So that is why they dressed. Oh yeah, they're dressed up. Okay, cool. Don't feel out of place. So we're gonna go ahead and get seated, I guess. I don't really know how. Do you see a line?
Nah, it is a place I think people walking into. You might board on and just chill until you
That's what I'm hoping, that we can board on and just sit, because I am wearing heels. So can you get my heels at the trunk?
Yeah, I'm gonna get them.
Alright, well, talk to y'all later. So we are bad YouTubers and forgot to vlog. So I'm going to insert some Instagram clips. But here's our food. we basically are done. And we are on the yacht right now. I'm gonna have to insert some Instagram clips, but yeah, we are on the boat. It's so nice.
What we do here is go back.
How you like it?
Yeah, what's good, y'all? We back. Oh, we just got back in the hotel after a long day, man. We don't have nothing else planned. We just chilling for the rest of the night before we KO. How you like that?
What?
Before we KO, before we knock out.
I've never heard no one say that before.
Yeah, KO. You never heard of it? Yeah. But the boat food was good. I mean, the boat experience was good. The scenery, everything. Being able to talk to her for a few hours. Yep. But it was cold, so like, it was really in there like freezing. So then when we got out of the car, we literally had to like really go to the car so we can blast the heat. But we here now, you know, we feel good, so that's about it.
Yeah, that's tomorrow we go back home to Virginia, so this is our last day.
Yep.
So we'll see y'all tomorrow. We are awake and dressed, and so we are eating breakfast downstairs in the lobby. before we head back home. Say hi. Oop, I almost dropped it. Say hi again. Yep. He's a little baby. Hey y'all, so we just finished eating breakfast. Now we're going back to the room.
So I can try on some clothes real quick.
You can try some clothes.
Yeah, going down.
Oh my goodness, we are basically all packed up. We're about to head out in a little bit. Careem was over there trying on some pants that he got from Forever 21 yesterday. But look at the outdoors. You can't really see because how. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna miss this place. We had a lot of fun. The only thing, I don't know how it's gonna look on the vlog though, because it's kind of hard to like film what we're doing when you're like trying to genuinely have a good time. So, and then most of the funny moments like were not caught on camera. So, but hopefully it's a good vlog. All we gotta do now is drive 4.5 hours back home to Virginia. And yeah, how did your pants?
Catch on another plane, take another trip.
We are not taking another trip right now. How you like your pants? All right, I guess we catch y'all in the car or whatnot. And yeah. Hey guys, this will be the end of our vlog. We just are at the gas station filling up the tank before we return the rental car. We are back home. Is there anything you want to say?
No. I'm about to go to sleep when I get home.
Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Please like,
Comment,
and subscribe. What?
Nothing.
And tune into the next video. Bye!